In this video, I'm going to show you how you can appear offline here on your PlayStation 5. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But what you're going to want to do is actually from your home screen on your PS5, scroll all the way up to the top and scroll to the right until you see your profile icon up in the top right corner. Select it, and then you're going to see with the very first option your online status. Go ahead and select that again, and you're going to have three different options here: online, busy, and appear offline. In this case, you'd want to go ahead and choose appear offline. Once selecting it, you'll see the status change, and your profile icon in the corner is also going to turn blank, showing that you're now offline. At any time, you can repeat these steps and just switch your status back to online whenever you feel like it. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Before you leave this video though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more PlayStation 5 tutorials. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more specific PlayStation 5 content, so we would greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.